interesting Kinder surprises, and we'll definitely find a lot of new heroes inside. Let's see. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Use a tool to make the process easier. Tiro, it is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of all the chocolate. Here it is, the capsule with a hero. Tap on the capsule to open it. Tap faster. This baker is from Cereal Clearing. The Chief Baker. A very unique hero is...
You can do anything from flour. My hobby is to collect recipes of pastry all over the world.
A key for the golden trunk. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose a tool to make the process easier. It is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of all the chocolate. Here it is. This baker is from Cereal Clearing. Pastry Chef.
The biggest secret of delicious bakery is dough made with the right proportions. My job is to mix dough and make pastry. Different types of pastry must be baked for every holiday. I can make a cake of any shape you like.
A key for the golden trunk. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Tear off all the pieces of the wrapping paper. It is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of all the chocolate. Here it is, the capsule with a hero. This baker is from Cereal Clearing.
I am the most important person in the kitchen. People call me chef. I do nothing actually, but I need to look after the work of other people. I give useful advices and control the quality of goods. Somebody just needs to try all the pies and cakes. What if they are not tasty?
Chef. I am small, but I already help a lot. Somebody needs to tidy everything up and serve customers. That's me. I keep an eye on the shelves to make sure they're always full and Let's see. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose it. It is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of all the chocolate. Here it is. This pirate is from Red Perch. The bombardier is the most important person on the gun deck.
It is so exciting to be a pirate.
Let's see. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose a tool to make the process. It is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. of all the Here it is. This sportsman is from Big Stadium. Rhythmic gymnastics, Grace and Blasty. Everybody knows that girls should be beautiful like a princess from a fairy tale. Rhythmic gymnastics is the best choice if a girl wants to become a beautiful princess. Any rhythmic gymnast is very beautiful, and I am the most graceful girl ever. A key for the golden trunk. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Tear off all the pieces of the wrapping paper. It is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of all the chocolate. Here it is. This sportsman is from Big Stadium. Martial arts, the most
I was the weakest and the shyest person in the class. All elder boys laughed and offended me. At that very moment, I started to go in for sports. Now I know Kung Fu, and nobody dares to laugh at me anymore.
What do we have here? To open Kinder Surprise, it is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of all the chocolate. Here it is. This pirate is from Red Perch. Watchman, set sail.
I am the most skilled sailor. I like to eat tasty food and sleep a lot. I am so much skilled that nobody could eat or sleep more than me. I can eat and sleep anywhere, even on the anchor. It is time to climb on mast. It is the only place where I have not eaten and slept yet.
Let's see. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose a tool to make the process easier. It is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of all the chocolate. Here it is. It's from Cereal Clearing. First cook assistant.
I am strong and skilled. That is why I can help everybody in any task they ask. When it's not windy outside, I unscrew the arms of the windmill. People call me when they need to carry bags with flour or cakes. I like to help people. That is why I am the first cook assistant. I can even start up a fire in the oven.
Let's see. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Tear off all the pieces of the wrapping. It is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of all the chocolate. Here it is. This sportsman is from Big Stadium. Athletics, discus throw.
When I lived at the seaside, I liked to throw stones in the water. Once I threw a stone so hard that it overflew the sea.
What do we have here? To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose a tool to make the process easier. It is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of all the chocolate. Here it is. This doctor is from the city hospital. Dentist.
Oi!
I help patients who have problems with their teeth. I can solve any tooth problem you have. I can heal every tooth, even if you have not only 32, but 132 teeth. And for those who have already lost their teeth, I can make a beautiful and solid denture.
Let's see. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Tear off all the pieces of the wrapping paper. It is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. Get rid of all the chocolate. Here it is. This builder is from sunny Savannah. This is our head painter.
Keep it between us. I am the most important person here. Nobody cared about work. I convinced grandfather that he was the most responsible person. I told father and uncle that work in the open air is very useful. I put a treasure map under G's pillow and he digged a swimming pool. Now the work is humming.
Let's see. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Next, tap on the screen. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of all the chocolate. This circus man is from Grand Chapiteau. Strongman.
The strongest people in the world are circus strongmen. Once, I was the strongest sportsman and won a lot of gold medals. I was the strongest person ever, and nobody could defeat me. At one moment, it became boring to win gold medals. Today, I make children happy in the circus. I like to make children happy.
Let's see. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose a tool to make the process easy. It is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. Choose a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of... Here it is. This baker is from Cereal Clearing. Dairy Woman.
Milk is one of the most important products. With its help, you can cook a lot of interesting things. Do you know that milk is used to make cheese, sour cream, curd, kefir, cream, and butter? Also, you can prepare the most delicious custard for cakes. That's why I need to wake up really early to deliver fresh milk to every family.
Let's see. To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Here. Tear off all the pieces. It is so... Use a tool to make the process easier. Get rid of all the chocolate. This pirate is from Red Perch. The old sea dog.
Let go head and stern line. Weigh anchor. Set sail. Full stop. What? Yes. No. Full ahead.
What do we have here? To open Kinder Surprise, slide up with a finger. Choose a tool to make the process easier. It is so funny to break chocolate eggs. Tap on the screen. This pirate is from Red Perch. The captain is the most important person on the ship.
Yo ho ho! I'm the most famous pirate. Sting me, jellyfish. The holds of my ship are full of treasures. And that's not the end. Bite me, crab. I will buy 100 more ships and make them full with treasures too. All treasures of the world will be mine.